Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin and I'm a dancer and choreographer with over 30 years of dance and performance experience. I spent the last decade focused on partner dance and wedding first dances. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that'll help you become a better dancer instantly. And by instantly, what I mean is that these rules that can be applied are rules that you can apply instantly and see a difference. But that doesn't mean that you're going to be able to apply these things all the time. All it is a matter of remembering, and so therefore practice. But these are easy things that anyone can do that can change your dancing instantly as long as you remember to think about them. So tip number 1, find the rhythm. And this is so important, but underlooked, because I think people think about the actual steps and how they should be executed, how your body should look, as opposed to how the movements sound. And that's a weird thing to say because it's dance and it's a visual art form. However, it's more about how you interpret the music that people are more paying attention to, especially people who don't have any knowledge about dance specifically. What they do have knowledge about is music and hearing the beat. It's the same as if when you hear a singer, you may not be a professional singer, but you know when you hear somebody that's on key or off key, on rhythm or off rhythm. It's just something innate that is inside all of us. And some of us can find that a little bit easier when we're dancing than others, but it's not impossible for everyone to find the rhythm. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of practice, a little bit of getting your body to actually move to the rhythm. But once you get that, that is such a good underlooked basic, because I know when I'm watching dance routines, I try to kind of like clear my mind of all of my dance knowledge, and I like to try to just enjoy it as a spectator. And what I've noticed is that when dancers are really off the music, it's an immediate turn off for me. I just can't really pay attention to anything else because that's one of the first things that I notice. And so the audience is really going to enjoy you so much more if you are at least on the rhythm and on the beat. So again, this is not a very difficult thing to do, but sometimes we overlook it and don't pay as much attention to it and forget to do it. So I would say make that a number 1 priority. It's something easy that you can do, just takes a little bit of practice, and it's gonna make you instantly a better dancer. So tip number 2, dance from your core. So all of your abdominal muscles make up the core of your body. And in every single dance form, it is helpful to dance from your core, meaning that you're activating the muscles in your core to help support you through those movements. If you just think of tightening those muscles, if you've ever taken Pilates, or if you've ever even taken a fitness class and they're talking about the deeper muscles of the abdomen that you need to engage before you even go into a crunch, that's the same thing. You want to lift and almost think of your belly button as coming up and in, and dance from that activated place. So you're physically activating your core. And a lot of times, magically, your movements will just become a little bit more controlled. That's what graceful dancing is all about, is being controlled from one step to the other. And so when you activate your core, you're gonna be more on your center, more balanced, and more in control of all of your movements. So for an instant way to improve your dancing, just think of activating your core, do your whole routine, do everything that you would normally do except activate your core. And another component to that is relaxing everything else and still being able to isolate the rest of your body to do whatever else your body needs to do, but activating just the core. So you're kind of isolating just the core and still doing everything else that you would normally do during your dance. And again, for professional dancers, this does take a long time to get used to, and eventually it's something that many professional dancers don't really have to think about anymore. It's just ingrained to sort of be engaged while dancing. But this is something that you can do instantly. It's only a matter of remembering to do so. All right, so my last tip for you today is confidence. This advice is a little bit like fake it till you make it, but it definitely won't hurt to act like you're confident to feel more confident. We all want more confidence, and we all want to watch somebody express themselves with confidence. So what you want to do is embody somebody that's confident, and confident people stand tall, their chin is held high, and it's about just having that posture and that body language like you're confident with what you're doing. And I promise you, if you apply that to your dancing, you will come across as more confident. And when you get to the point, like if you're learning a routine for something specific, a first dance maybe, you're gonna wanna practice all those steps first, get the rhythm, and you're gonna want to learn all the technical things about what you're doing. But then after you've practiced a bunch of times, the last piece that you can sort of add on and integrate with the rest of the routine is the confidence factor. Just lifting up your posture and just having an attitude like you are confident, you know what you're doing, and you're ready to allow your audience to be at ease and enjoy watching your performance. All right, there you have it. Those are my 3 tips for becoming a better dancer instantly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to give it a like, leave a comment below, and or subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you here. I post new videos at least once a week, sometimes more. I try to post content that is entertaining, inspiring, or helpful in some way. So if you like the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.